Hello everyone, welcome to Senthil Smart QA Hub. In today's section, we are going to learn about double click and right click action in Playwright. Let's start with the double click action. In Playwright, to double click on the action, we have to use dblclick method. Let's go for coding. For example, here I am going to open this application. Here we can see open course videos button. We are going to double click on this button. It will open the respective page. For this scenario, now we'll write the code for this. Now we'll start the coding for double click. Title I'll give double click. Now we'll open the application. Await page dot go to method. I'll give the URL of the application. So this statement will open the application. After open the application, we are going to double click on the button. Which button is open course videos button. Now right click on this button, inspect element. We'll find the locator for this button. Now here this button, we have text of this button. I'll copy the text of the button here. Now we'll find the open course videos button. Await page dot get by text here. So I'll give the text, then dot dblclick method. Page dot get text will find the open course videos button. Then dblclick method used to double click on the button. Now let's run the code npx playwright test. It will open the application. It will double click on the open course videos button. See, the button is clicked and script got passed. After double click, the execution is over. Immediately it is closing the browsers. After double click, you want to wait for some time, then close the browsers. Then we can write the explicit wait statement called page dot timeout. So here it will take milliseconds. I'll give 5000. Now it will open the application, double click on the open course videos, then it will wait for 5 seconds, then browser will be closed. So in Selenium, if you want to double click, we use double click method. But in the Playwright, simply we call dblclick method. Now let's move on the right click. Now I'll take another test method. Here, right click. For example, here I'm going to open this application. I'm going to right click on this doctor appointment form. Let's code for this. First we'll open the application. Await page dot go to. Then I'll give the URL here. Then next I'm going to right click on the element. So this element, doctor appointment form. Now we have to find the element. Right click, inspect element. So here this link, I'll take text of this element. Await page dot. For text we use get by text method. I'll give the text. This statement used to find the doctor appointment form. Then after that we are going to right click. So right click we have to use click method only. In the click method we have to pass the button property. Click method will click on the left click by default. For example, I'll take the mouse picture. In the mouse picture, this is a left button, this is a right button. So here click method by default it will click on the left button. If you want to click on the right click, we have to use the click method. In the click method we use a right button property. Here, so the dot click method will click on the left click. To right click on the mouse button, we have to use button property, button colon right. This will click on the right click. After right click, just I'll wait for 5 seconds. Now I'm going to run this code. Now in this spec file we have two scripts are present. Now I want to execute the second script. So we'll go with the title. How we go with the title? npx playwright test -g then title of the text method. Then it will execute the respective test method. So it will right click on the doctor appointment form. See, it's got right clicked. And script got passed here. So to summarize, for double click, we use dblclick. For right click, We use click method. In the parameter, we pass button colon write property. Thank you.